Today's book summary, we will be looking at Malcolm Gladwell's The Tipping Point, a book where minuscule actions ignite massive changes. Picture a tiny spark turning into a roaring blaze of transformation. Today, we decode how seemingly insignificant moments can lead to significant waves of change. First up, the law of the few. Envision key individuals like connectors, mavens, and salesmen igniting societal trends. These are the social butterflies, information hubs, and persuasive influencers who spread ideas across networks. Their power lies not just in what they know, but in their ability to connect and convince. It's a dance of influence and information, showing us that sometimes the few really can impact the many. Next, we delve into the stickiness factor. What makes an idea memorable? It's the glue that makes messages stick in our minds. Some ideas linger and captivate, while others fade. This stickiness isn't just about the message, it's about how it's delivered. From catchy jingles to unforgettable slogans, stickiness is what makes an idea not just heard, but remembered and acted upon. The power of context brings us to our environment's role in shaping behavior. Like a chameleon changes color based on its surroundings, people adapt to their contexts. This principle demonstrates that the setting is as crucial as the message itself. From the cleanliness of a city to the layout of a building, context molds our actions, often more than we realize. It's about understanding that our environment can be the stage where tipping points occur. As we conclude, the tipping point teaches us the extraordinary power of ordinary things. It's a world where small actions by influential people, memorable ideas, and the context of our surroundings make monumental differences. Every small step you take could be the start of something big. The question now is, what will be your tipping point? Let's use these insights to make our mark in the world, one small step at a time.